Hey friends, welcome back to CodeOps Trek. Java is one of the most powerful programming languages used to build enterprise applications, mobile apps, and web services. It has a strong developer community, vast industry applications, and plays a crucial role in software development. That's why we are starting this Java tutorial series, from basics to advanced topics. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this series will guide you through everything you need to master Java. So, if you are excited to learn Java from scratch, hit the subscribe button and let's begin our journey into the world of Java. Throughout this series, we will cover all the essential concepts of Java programming, including: first, introduction to Java. We'll start with the basics, what Java is, how it evolved, and why it is so popular. We'll also explore JDK, JRE, and JVM to understand how Java works internally and set up our development environment. Second, core Java basics. In this section, we will learn about data types, that is primitive and non-primitive, memory management, operators and control flow, which are if-else, loops, and switch statements. Third, string handling. Strings are a crucial part of Java programming. We will explore string, string buffer, string builder, and the string pool, along with best practices for efficient string manipulation. Fourth, arrays. Arrays allow us to store multiple values in a single variable. We will cover one-dimensional and multidimensional arrays, array methods, comparison with array lists. Fifth, classes and object. Understanding classes and objects is fundamental in Java. We will dive into access modifiers, non-access modifier, class structures and instantiation. Sixth, OOPS concepts. Java follows object-oriented principles, including encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. These concepts make Java more powerful and reusable. Seventh, Java collections framework. We will explore list, set, and map interfaces, array list, linked list, hash map, tree map. Eighth, exception handling. Errors and exceptions are inevitable in programming. We will learn try-catch blocks, throw and throws keywords, custom exceptions and best practices. Ninth, multithreading and concurrency. Java provides robust support for multithreading. We'll explore thread lifecycle and synchronization, locks and thread pools, deadlocks and race conditions. 10th, Java memory management. We'll dive deep into JVM architecture, stack and heap memory, garbage collection and memory leaks. 11th, generics and functional programming. Generics provide type safety and code reusability. We will also explore Lambda expressions and Stream API. This series is designed to make learning Java simple, engaging, and practical. By the end, you'll be able to build Java applications confidently and apply your knowledge in real-world projects. So stay tuned, subscribe to CodeOps Trek, and let's begin our Java journey together.